Hey, who are you? Why are you beating me? Hey, hello. What is the problem? Brother, boss, sir, why are they beating me?
Hey, bring him to me. Where is it?
What, sir?
Where is it?
What is where, sir?
Hey, don't play around. Just tell me where it is.
What do I want to say?
My blood pressure's already high.
Sir, you have blood pressure. You look really tall. Orbital 40. You should take it 3 times a day. You will be fine, sir.
I'm gonna kill you. Are you gonna tell me or not?
Keep the gun down, sir. I actually don't know what you are asking me. Whatever you want, you can ask me, sir.
Stop joking with me! Who is she?
She is my lover.
Shit. You did whatever you wanted to. Now you say you're in love. Hey, take her out of this place.
Hey, don't touch her. Stop. Go back. Go. Surekha, you can leave.
What about you?
I have 10 minutes of work here. I will finish it and come. Go. I am honestly telling you, I don't know what you're asking me. Please leave me, please.
Hey!
Rowdy sir, you can definitely beat me, but please tell me why you are beating me. My body is paining, sir.
Hey, buddy. You are getting beatings only for the past 1 hour, buddy. But they are beating me for the past 2 days. See my position.
Brother,
Tell me,
how did you come here?
how did you come here? The same way I also came here.
I am telling you the truth. I don't know how I came here.
Even I don't know how I came here, buddy.
Ask them to leave.
Don't hit me,
Stop it! Pluck their eyeballs out and come and see me later.
Sir, I will tell you the truth, sir. We were trying to take a bus from one place to another. 20 beer bottles, 5 biryani packets, all together including condom expense. 40,000 rupees I spent. Balance 4,60,000 I have.
Hey! Don't irritate me again and again!
I am saying the truth, sir. I have only 4,60,000 with me.
Just shut up! Where is the box?
What box? You mean rice box, sir?
Hey, if you don't tell me the truth right now, I will scatter your brains on the walls here.
You want only box. You don't want our bag?
What will I do with your bag?
So which means, sir, you don't require the bag. You just require the box, right?
What will I do with your bag? It's of no use to me.
Sir, if I tell you something, you will get surprised.
What is that?
We are not the people whom
Correct.
you want. You have kidnapped us wrongly.
Sir, the box you mentioned now, I swear, sir, we don't have that. We steal only soap box and powder box, sir. Yeah. We are stealing only small things in our life, sir.
Shit! Stop it! Get him here! The box that I'm asking about went missing from him.
I've seen this boy somewhere, buddy.
I also remember seeing him some night. Hey, I remember very well now. Hey, you came to that girl's house at night, no? Come on, you are really great, buddy. In that small gap itself, you did so much with that girl.
If not at this stage, then when it is possible, bro?
Where is the girl now, buddy? How did you both get connected, buddy?
Only in that thing.
Stop it, bro. I'm really feeling shy.
Hey, stop it! Are you romancing? Are you both in love with each other? Then get married. Look here, listen. I'm asking you one last time. Where's the box?
Which box, sir?
Hey, beat these three to pulp.
Don't hit me, sir. It's paining. Buddy, don't hit me. No, it's really
A box
paining.
like this.
Look at this. You have the box with you and then you are beating us asking where the box is. This is not fair.
Hey, I'm not talking about this box. A box which looks like this.
There are lot of boxes just like this. Many different flavors also. They have offer. Buy two get one free.
Buy two, get one free.
Yeah, yes.
You'll get it in a medical store. Hey, do you know how much this box is for?
55 rupees with the GST 61.
Hey, this box is worth 1 crore rupees.
Crore? Even if you tell this to a foolish guy, he won't believe it, sir. You have kidnapped us and doing comedy?
Hey, I told you, you're a crazy man. You gave him the box and now you're asking them where the box is? You've only physically grown, you have nothing in your brain.
Hey, what should I do now?
You don't get it? You still don't get it? We've all been fooled.
Hey, do you want to have a beer?
I would love to, but I don't have the money.
Here, take it. Go.
Come on, boys, let's go.
What are you waiting for? Beat them.
Sir, don't hit me, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir.
Sir, it's in my house, sir. Sir, it's in my house, sir. Please believe me, sir. It's in my house, sir.
Have a good look at this box. Is it the same box?
Yes, sir. The same model box, sir. It's in my house, sir.
Brother, you never allow me to steal any big thing, but you have taken a 1 crore box. This is not fair.
Hey, buddy. How did I know that something costly is that inside that box? I didn't know about that, buddy.
Yeah, don't lie to me now. I am sure you knew about it. You cheated your brother.
Why, you do have a good soul award. You kept 5 lakhs that day with you, but you didn't tell me about that.
Huh? 5 lakhs is not big in front of 1 crore. Sir, you have to beat him up, sir. He is a cheater. He should not live.
Yeah,
Finish
me. Finish me, sir. Come on, finish me. But I am the only person who know where is the box kept. Now you can decide whom you are shooting. Come on, boss. Come on, shoot.
Hey! Enough is enough. Tell me where's the box?
Box? It's at my house, sir.
Where's your house?
Very far away from here, sir.
Hey! On the way if you try to do anything funny, this bullet will go through your chest. I'll shoot your brain too. Hey, come on, let's go.
After all, home sweet home. Sweetheart, where is my sweetheart? I've come up.
Yeah!
Oh my
Inspector!
God. Oh God. Oh.
Hey,
What
you!
are you doing? Hey, what are you doing?
This I
Hey,
did
something
not
wrong with
reach
you.
you, so
Hey,
you
why
thought
are you
you
hitting
can't
like
get
this?
away with
Hey, what is your
anything.
problem?
I should
Hey,
be
don't hit me
beating
up.
you till you
I've come
die.
here just for
Hey.
you. I have all the money. I'm giving it to you only.
You
Why
idiot.
are you hitting me?
I shouldn't be you.
Don't hit me. Hey, come on here. I always.
Hey.
Hey, don't hit me like that. Hey, don't hit me there. Hey, don't hit me. That's my weak point. That's my weak point. Don't hit me. Hey, what is it here?
Hey,
Your leg on a
where's my
pillar or
5
what?
lakhs?
Hey, what do you mean? 5 lakhs is missing or what? Where's missing money, huh? Hey, what did you do with that money?
You and I both know about it. It was under
Oh
the
my God, you
mattress.
kept it under the bed. Oh. The servant might have taken it. Oh my God.
I'm going to throw you out of the house. You leave here.
All the ladies are watching serial and they're becoming like this. This is no way. Hey, you also get one. Hey, come. Take the vehicle, fast. Oh my God. But who might have taken the 5 lakh rupees, man?
I've got an
Tell
idea,
me.
sir. I think you should call up the SI. She'll give you the right information.